Hello, my name is Trent. I'm the Weft Wright, and welcome to my tiny fiber studio here in the mountains of North Carolina. I'm sitting at my loom David here today, and I have a huge undertaking that has taken root in my brain, and I want your help with it. I am planning on starting a new online tool called the Weft Wright Loom Library. And this is going to be a compendium of knowledge about all of the major manufacturers of looms and the looms that they make. I know this is a little presumptuous, but I'm the one thinking of it and inventing it, so I can call it whatever I want. And I think the Weft Wright Loom Library is perfect. In this project, I hope to create a resource that all weavers, new and old, can use to help them make decisions about their loom and also to troubleshoot their looms. We all are very forthright about sharing our knowledge usually. That's something I found great about the weaving community, but we all work in different silos, and there are people around the world and in my own home country, the United States, where people don't have access to other weavers and other fiber groups. And of course, we can go online and try to look at forums and all that kind of stuff, but that information isn't necessarily vetted, and it's anecdotal. What I want to do is to create something totally different that's going to provide information for everyone, especially those who are looking to buy new or used looms. The idea is that the person who really knows how a loom performs is the person who weaves on that loom. And a company is going to provide you with basic information about the loom. You may be able to find videos made by people who have used those looms, but some information is really important that aren't on those specifications. For me, as I'll talk about a little bit later, it's things like treadle spacing. It's things like how heavy is it to move the loom, and is it something you could do by yourself? How difficult is it to thread the loom? Can you remove the breast beams and get close enough, etc. On modern looms that are still being manufactured, that information is usually pretty available. Not all of it. As I said, I've never seen anyone who talks about the treadle spacing on their looms. But for instance, Leclerc has been making looms since the late 40s, early 50s. And you may want some information about this specific loom that you found on Facebook Marketplace. And I want there to be a resource for everyone so that we can pool all of our information and resources and find out what we need to know. And another thing is about making repairs and alterations to your loom. I think having in that same loom library, with each loom made by a specific company listed and having its own little call number in our loom library, you can look up that loom and see all sorts of resources and information from contributors like you. I am not ready to make that loom library list yet. I need your help. And please, this is so important. I need to know what information is important to know. I know what I would like to know, but I want to know what you would like to have known. So a really easy thing that you can do to help me is to go to my website. There's absolutely no need to sign up. You don't have to give your name. It's going to be super easy. I'll show you here, actually. It's very easy to do. So first, just go to my website as usual, theweftwright.com. And you'll see everything like you normally do, like my interactive tools, which I'm very proud of. But on my homepage, you're going to see this button, Loom Library Submission Form. As I mentioned, this is not the submissions for the actual Loom library. This is just to help me build what questions I need to put on that form. I want to know the following things. What is one thing you wish you had known before buying your loom? For me and the David 3, that's the treadle spacing, because my feet are really wide and it's hard to treadle that loom. What's one measurement you've never seen documented but wish someone would? That's the same for me. Have you ever been surprised by something after buying a loom? What was it? And what information should every loom library record include? And then here's the part. Everyone can do this without giving me any information about who you are, but if you would like to be more involved in this project and I would be able to ask you questions specifically, then click yes here, and that's going to ask me to give you your email address and name, but it's not required. You don't have to. So just want to be very clear, this isn't the survey about a specific loom. It's your chance to shape what is to come with the Weft Wright Loom Library. All right, I just want to reiterate one more time. This is not about a specific loom. This short questionnaire is just to help me form the questions that we're going to ask about specific looms later. If you're excited about this project, if you think that it's going to benefit our community, or if you've seen similar projects out there that I maybe could collaborate with or pull information from, please let me know down below. Once again, my website is a free resource, including all of my interactive tools, and I would love your support. If you go to my interactive tools page, there's a place where you can support my Buy My Coffee, and down below in the description, you can also support my Buy Me a Coffee. So please take a moment, just fill out this questionnaire. There's no obligation. You don't have to give me your information at all. Nothing is going to be tracked. I just want to know what you want to know when you're purchasing or looking to buy a used loom. Without further ado, have a wonderful tour de fleece. I honestly haven't been able to spin every day. I know I mentioned plying every day, but I started a new job and I've just been exhausted. So what I have been able to do is just a little bit of spindle spinning, even though I said I was really going to ply. But I hope you have a wonderful tour de fleece, and I hope you have a wonderful time this week crafting and staying cool this summer. Till next time.